my God, Luigi! Suck it! Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! See you later, suckers! Oh, there's wind, there's wind! Oh my God! Oh my... I don't have to pretend with these reactions, this is crazy. Oh my God, I don't even care if I vomit at this point, I don't care. Oh my God. Keep up, suckers! Okay, my stomach is about here at the moment. Have you guys got the right carts? Because mine seems to be way faster. Is that just skill? It's very difficult to not shout swears. Oh my God, oh my God.
Nah, you were about to...
How'd you grab these things? Oh my God, Luigi! Suck it! Sorry, Yosh. Oh my God. If my 10-year-old self could see this.
I know. Oh, Sophie, no you did not.
Hey Tom, eat my exhaust, brother. Well, I don't remember the hammer. I don't remember the hammer from the real Mario Kart, but that's fine. Creative liberties.
Yoshi is not fucking around.
Oh my God! The wind is such a good touch.
It is, it really is.
If we take the headsets off, we're in the car park.
I don't think I've ever taken a headset off. I want to live in this world.
Oh, I need a hammer. There you go. Come here, Luigi. I need to think of something cool to say before I hit you, Tom. Hey, looks like I nailed this race.
I mean, it's a hammer, mate.
Oh, sorry, I'm a bit shellfish. No, it doesn't work.